Hey everyone, if you've ever wondered, can AI help me choose better stocks? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how beginners can use AI, like ChatGPT, to make smarter investing decisions without needing to be a finance expert or a programmer. And let me know in the comments if you want to know more advanced techniques of predicting market movements using AI. Let's break it down, step by step. Using AI in the stock market means using smart computer tools to read news, analyze trends, and help guess whether a stock might go up or down. It's kind of like having a super smart assistant who works 24/7, digging through data for you. It won't predict the future perfectly, but it helps you make better informed decisions. Let's walk through a real example using Apple stock, ticker symbol 8APL, and how you can use ChatGPT to analyze it. Type into ChatGPT, "What's the latest news about Apple stock?" ChatGPT will give you a quick summary of recent headlines, like product launches, earnings, or supply chain updates. This helps you understand if people are feeling positive or negative about the company. Then you can ask, "Explain Apple's recent earnings report, like I'm new to investing." ChatGPT will break it down. Are sales up or down? Is profit growing or shrinking? Were there any surprises? Super helpful if you don't want to read long financial documents. Now try this. What do the moving averages and RSI for Apple suggest? You'll get an answer like, "The 50-day average is above the 200-day. That's usually a good sign." Or, "RSI is 75, so the stock may be overbought." You don't need to understand charts. GPT explains it for you. Now ask, based on the news and indicators, what might investors consider about Apple right now? ChatGPT might say, "Apple's performance looks strong, but technical signals suggest a possible pullback. Some investors may wait before buying." You're not getting a yes/no answer. You're getting information to think about. You can also ask, "What are some other companies like Apple I can look into?" ChatGPT may suggest Microsoft, Google, Samsung, perfect for building a stock watch list. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about risks. Because AI is cool, but it's not magic. AI looks at past data. It can't predict the future. The market can react to random news, like politics or disasters. Even great AI tools can lead to losses, so never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use AI as a helper, not a fortune teller. Let's recap real quick. You can use AI to summarize news, understand company performance, check stock trends, and find other stocks to research. It's like having a smart investing sidekick right in your pocket. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance and AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.